Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. We are at the final part of the sub-series, and in this video we will learn what is session events. By this time you know what is user session and how sessions object tracks the user session related information. There are two events to track user sessions. Session start event fires when new user session is started. Right? When session is started, the time session start event will fire. When user session ends, session end event will fire. So by providing a proper handler code, you can take necessary action when a new user session starts or the started session ends. We can use these events to load or save user session related information in the database. So that is just one example of the action, but you can think of multiple other need. In global.asax file, we can handle these events, right? This is because this is not a page-specific event. We know that user session can be tracked beyond multiple page requests. So that's why we are handling these events in a global file or global.asax file. In this example, we will print a debug message to explore session start and session end events. We will also use the session timeout because when you close the browser session, we know that session will end, but we cannot see the debug message, right? We need application to be alive to see the message. That's why here we are going to use the timeout for the session. Once the timeout occurs, the session will automatically end. And that way we can print the message in the session end. Now let's go to the demo. Alright, now we are into the demo. So let's close the window from our previous example. So these are all the two windows. So right click on the project and choose add. Let's click on general under the web. Here you can see global application class, a class for handling web application events. Right? It's not page event, it's even more global event. Right? Let's accept the default global.asax and click on the add button. And you can see there are multiple events. Application start. Here you can see session start event, and there is a session end event also. So these are all the global events. Now let's handle the session start as well as session end events. Alright, now let's go to the using section, and here we include the system.diagnostics namespace because we want to print some diagnostic message, right? That can be seen in the output window. So here in the session start, right? So in the session start, we are writing a debug string stating starting a new session, right? Loading information required for the session from DB, or you can put some other diagnostic message, or you can perform the action that is related to a session, right? Here we are giving session timeout as 1, right? 1 minute. So that means after 1 minute, if a user is not doing any action and web page is left open, we will time out that user session for security reason. Usually this will be such a big number, say a 4 minute or 5 minute, like that. Here for exploration purpose we are keeping a lower number, so our session will time out after 1 minute. If user doesn't perform any action, then the timeout will occur and session will end automatically. Once the session ends, the hacker cannot access any of the session related information. If user left the browser and walked away, this way we can secure the user session, right? We will end the session so that other user cannot continue with the same information, session information. Simply here session timeout is 1 minute. After 1 minute the session will end if there is no user interaction. So here in the session end, we are keeping a few more debug statement stating closing user session, store user information to DB, or if you want to perform some other action, you can do that. Let's build this once. And we will bring up this ASP page and we will run it. So if you go to the debug, here in the output window you can see starting new session, right? This information is displayed here, and let's wait for 1 minute. Let's wait till 8:30. So now you can see the session is automatically closing. Our session is ending here because of 1 minute timeout. Thank you for watching. Bye.